gonna go back. Um, this year ago, a month ago, you know, I mean, like, sick as we are gonna review and cover every single thing we are gonna talk about, right? Because when we get into lean into this, because we are gonna talk about all the fails of this year, a month ago. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, let's get started, so guys. We are gonna start off review and cover of Canva, guys. When we review everything of Canva, which is we had to go over all the Canva and so let's take review part first, which is you need a Canva app. Once you want to air fails, even want to air fails, and then you got sign in, and that's it for the review part. And here is to cover everything about Canva. So guys, and let's cover everything about Canva right now. Alright, so guys, first thing you need, Air fails. Sign in into Canva app of Canva. You need to had to actually Air fails, and that's everything for review and cover for of Canva. And now this is gonna lead into questions about Canva. So guys, here is my first question about Canva. Guys, here's my first question. Alright, the first question about Canva is, what do you do if you search online Canva? Good. Second question, how to add your fails? Tell me. Good. Thirdly, do you even know whatever it takes to air fails? Tell me. Good. And guys, those are the questions about Canva. So guys, here is the things to know about Canva. So guys, did you know that there's actually apps instead of apps? Because I'm just like voice over and there's AI generation. And there's like other stuff you can do instead of Canva. And that's things to know about Canva. Did you know? But there's things to know about Canva part 2, which that means you have right to air fails, whatever it takes to become a master of separate diction. And that's things to know about Canva part 2. Now, you guys know how to create they portray a movie, which that means you have to take a script. You need actors to portray script. You gotta create any actual movie, and that's going to need to have storyboards. Storyboards goes into the final stage, which is how to make a movie. And now, guys, still gonna go on how storyboard works part two, and that's I'm gonna lead into it right now. Guys, storyboards part two, which is you need a storyboard, you need along of the movies, which is gonna last, right? And third, how to find acting it. How to act thing while moving the body, and that's how the board works per two. And, and guys, today we are going to talk about how movies work. Movies work like this. One, you need to start acting. Second thing, you need a script. I just said array. And then third, you need a pro 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 producers, a director, and a writer. You need that. And guys, we're going to talk about sound production process. And that's going to lead into movies. Also, guys, first thing, you need writer, you need director, you need a producer. A producer means is financing and budgeting. And that means a director who can film a movie and tell the actors what to do. And writers write a script for the actors. And now we're going to talk about singing next, because singing and it's like something to do, but so guys, we're going to start doing brief soprano singing. So guys, I'm going to show you guys my stomach. Alright guys, I'm gonna give one example of the breathing. Watch. Good. Now, second thing, use that breath support when you're singing. And it's gonna no, but we are not into high notes yet. We're still talking about breathing, soprano, singing still. So guys, breathing and singing, you know how to get a good posture like this. And just like sing and breathing. Watch. Flush, now it goes, why I'm listening tonight. Like that. And that's pretty soprano and singing. And that means. And now we're going to lead into how to hit high notes. So guys, why don't we do high notes? we had to take this opportunity. We do announce because first off, let's try betting first. Okay, okay. I want to open that oh maybe bell. Watch. Good. And I want to hear more of the resistance of the belt. Have you hear? I know it's watch. Good. Now this it produced singing with the high notes we did. Now, guys, we're going to talk about Focal research and focus stars. So, guys, let's take Focal registers first. So, guys, Focal registers is sketch voice, mixed voice, high voice, and then whistle and falsetto. Those are the Focal registers. Here is the example. Watch. Hey. Hey. Those are the Focal registers. Now we're going to talk about Focal styles. Focal styles is like belting for burrow within runs. Watch. But belting is first. And he counts the for burrow two. Good. Now, just like doing written runs. Watch. Hey. Good. Now, how do a mix and singing? So guys, we are doing Hayes our class to mix. Okay, watch. Hey, 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 hey. Now down. Hey, 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 hey. Good. Now let's do any self-free focal lesson, which that means we are gonna be singing on a ah. Stop. Good. And now we're gonna work on bass 2 class because bass is a low note. Watch. That is bass. Catch, it's this. Hi. Hello. That is our class. Guys, we're gonna go through our singing basics. So guys, I've been pressing feels just there. That's done. Next, we are gonna how do we sing part 2. So guys, how do we sing? It's just like this. Vibrato, rhythm runs. Biting. Watch. Hey, hey, that's How do we sing part two? And guys, we're gonna unlock mix well belting. Watch. Hey, 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 hey. That's mixed with belting. Now that's unlock. Hey boys, watch. Eee! And that's hey boys, you just unlock the array. And guys, and now how do I force solo? Force solo like this, watch. I was looking at how do I force solo. So force solo can be running, watch. Good. And now let's just sigh on the pitch, and let's do of the actual pitchman of it, watch. I used to think. Good. And now let's go into sound. Sound is like this. Ah, there's sound and sound effects is like this. Woo, 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 woo. And guys, I know this first spirit, but I'm teaching everyone how to like sing the right way without our voice fucking lot. That's I'm trying to do. Also, guys, and today we're gonna unlock Russo. Let's take it back to for solo. Watch. You think as sound effects. Woo, woo, woo. Now there and Russo. So guys, let me do say again. And guys, now that's good. Guys, how to make your birthing better. So guys, I did a voice crack. So guys, watch this example of a voice crack. Watch. Good. And then it's gonna lead to fixing breaking better. Watch. So guys, use your finger as a education tool. Watch. And more resistance to make the button better. Good. And now, guys, watch the difference between singing. So, guys, we're going to use first sound and about thing. Watch. Hey! And now we're gonna put back with words now. Watch. Thus now glows why on the mountain tonight. Never been to be seen. I can ride out the lights on and it's on queen. Good. And that's demonstrating like singing in so how to find your tenor range. So guys, I don't have anything here. I am gonna use this guitar here as a piano for now, guys. And guys, this is gonna have a fire to tenor range. Watch. Now, and now we're gonna keep going up. I just fire actual tenor. Hey, watch. Such a tenor ranges. Good. And now how to find your voice for singing. It's kind of like we just did already. But in the instruments, watch. Do 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 do. And that's how to find your voice for singing. And guys, we are gonna watch watch other demons of how to and that's onions sewers. I mean, also mumbling scissors because I'm gonna mumble the words. Watch. There's no ghost right on the update tonight. Never been to be seen. I just had to lay some and looked at on the queen. Good. And now, here is the other accessible. Like I'm gonna do listening to the words. Watch. The snow glows bright on the Edmonton tonight. Never been to be seen. Congratulations. And then let's on the queen. Good. And I just sing let go. Alright, we're going to do it again. Watch. The snow glows right on the Edmonton tonight. Never been to be seen. Congratulations. And then it looks like I'm a queen. And this means singing, so that's that, yeah. I mean, guys, we're going to talk about what is production is. So, guys, let's play. No, wait, no. A production is a give me any director and producer and writers, and then it's like a other team, and that's production actually is. And now we're going to talk about what production means. Yeah, because probably the answer right is fun singing but singing. Because probably know that already. What is it? Film director, a film director, a film director is a film director is a God. Right. A film director is guys. I don't know the answer of the film director. Oh no, guys. Now for mine, I know the answer to this. I was like a film director is a person who knows who wants all the actors want to go, what do they want to say in this film actually is, or what just a script. The writers write a script from the actors. Now let's go into what a sound production is. A sound production is it's a team when you need a how to film a movie or something like that. Yeah, that means a sound production never leads into like how to sing and how to do a mix, how to do a IO and design, and that's a sound actually never does. Watch my focus style. Watch. There's no glory why I'm tonight. That's will be to be seen. I can know isolation, and then it looks like I'm a queen, and that's and that's my what my focus style actually is. Well, on the focus starts for singing, so guys sing do vibrato. Watch. Good. And then you can do and runs. Hey. And that's actually is. Oh, you're trying to but a song about movies. I'm going to explain that. What are the focus? What are the what are the what are the difference of voice focus styles and sounds? Sounds and focus styles is okay. So um let's use focus styles. Hey, and it's good. And now let's do it again with the sounds. Watch. Hey, These sounds while doing vocal styles. And guys, movies part 2. Yeah, let's jump into it. So guys, movies part 2. It's just like we're like filming the the movie. It's like a filming 1 hour long movie, a 2 hour long movie. Like keep expanding how the door working works, right? So that's what part 2 is, and how to and how to get your hero codes for your fails, guys. You can probably know. So guys, I'm gonna explain everything what it is, because a a a hero code um um is like taking in the picture of a hero code and everything you can see of that hero is on, right? And that means it's like seriously guys, just instead. So guys, please go to go drive go to share with me fun love videos first. Click on the three dots, send a link to the QR code, and print Canva. Okay, so that's how you get QR codes. Now, and here is the, the tip how sound production is. Guys, tip 1, film a video. Tip 2, edit that video. Tip 3, share that video. And that's all the tips. Use the tools for Airstone, which is Premiere Pro and Canva. I mean, and those are the two things you can use to edit your videos. And guys, as some to the for singing, singing with a voice over. Here is voice over actually is. Watch. Turn left onto Main Street. Guys, voice over. And singing isn't like this. The sun goes right on tonight. I feel me to be seen. And guys, watch. It gets better at the end. The wind is howling and there's a storm inside. I could keep in. Heaven knows I tried. And that's what's over actually is. And then this voice our for singing is. And I forgot to mention, guys, you can air fair, but you cannot, but you got send it into Canva, you got send it into Premiere Pro. You cannot actually air for free, but you still have to send in still. Right, yeah. And did you know all tech that you can be charging your phone and your computer can be charged if you're watching TV way too long. It shows continue watching. When that pops up on the bottom right corner of the TV, it shows, do you want to continue watching? It's just that when you're not watching it anymore, it's just that, yeah. So guys, that means when it shows continue watching, it it can still stay on, but but you're seeing flashing movies Um, yeah, and that's the means. But yeah, because I'm gonna addition to the changing. So guys, I started live streaming not that a while ago, which means I started live streaming on last Friday, which that is. So my first ever feel was a Minecraft Fractures story. The first live streaming video I made on that last Friday. Yeah, so live streaming actually is um so it's like going to an sorry live meeting when we did in a first role thing when you go online to meet other people and that's one example of live live is and for live streaming is different because I'm filming live streaming on YouTube right now and there's the other example that is gonna need into a welcome back with supposition fail. And so guys, I made a person teaching of welcome back to with supposition and then I showed you guys of that fail I made in school. We just talking about singing array. We talking about sound effects array. We just talking about Pumper and Canva. And we talking about other stuff. Right, so did you know you can sing while doing voiceover? Watch. That's not that's why I'm on tonight. Now you've been to be saying congratulations and it looks like I'm a queen. And guys, I know this video, I mean it's kinda weird because I'm teaching everyone because it's my job. Goodbye bye. Thank you.